So here I have my 3-liter TDI Audi A6. I'm gonna change the oil and oil filter. I'm personally using the original one, Castle Edge 5W30 LL long life. Mine has 430 something thousand kilometers. 436, 433. That's the still with the original timing chain. So it's never been changed. Probably because the oil has been changed every, I don't know, 6,000 miles or 10,000 kilometers, whichever you use. So for the oil filter, you need a filter size 1/4, which was 34, not 32. And for the sump plug, it's gonna be an Allen key, number 6. Is it? Yes, it is 6. Can't zoom on it properly anyway. Just go under the car, take off the plug, drain the oil, take out the filter, put the new one in, put the plug back in, fill it back with oil. You're good to go. It's supposed to be 8.2 liters of oil going in there, but sometimes only takes like 8 and it's on the maximum level. It's enough. Don't need to be like exactly 8.2 because maybe that 0.2 is stuck somewhere. So if it's on the max level, you're good to go. Good luck.